Hello and welcome. I am the Urban Animist, and I'm here to bring you a guide to the unknown and the unseen. Now, today is going to continue with the protection series that I've been doing. Well, this is going to be the second video. Okay, so this is going to be a different kind of protection, kind of like a preventative or a help for it. So, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to make a psychic vision powder. Now, this will help you when you're scrying or doing any kind of divination work. And the reason I'm doing this is because it will aid you to find things that might come up. Now, they say this can induce visions, so be sure you're in the right state of mind, okay? Now, first things first, a chunk of frankincense. Now I'm going to put a little more. I'm actually going to set this down real quick. Let's start with the thing that's going to be the hardest, and that will be the mint, because I've got to grind it first. So the things you'll need today are frankincense, either tears or powder. This was powder that dried together. And then you're going to need mint, either peppermint or spearmint. Now, what you do first is you're going to bless it and activate it. Now that's your first thing. So I'm going to take a handful of spearmint, and I'm going to pour it in. Got it everywhere, it's okay. Okay, ready? In the name of Hecate Kaidia, Hecate Agira, Hecate Daichtaida, I bless and consecrate this spearmint. I activate it so that it may aid me in getting psychic visions, to protect me from all bad things that might happen, to show me the future or whatever I ask for, to show me things past, present, and future. May the spearmint be activated with pure power under the goddess who teaches all about herbs. Hecate, I call to you. Please aid me in activating this spearmint. And I ask this with the help of my guides, guardians, and ancestors. This is my will, so shall it be. Okay, now that we've got that, I'm going to start grinding. So, just to make it more of a powder, that's the main thing. Okay. So, while I'm doing this, I will just come back whenever I'm done. Now, the spearmint has been powdered. You can, like I said, you can use peppermint or spearmint. So I'm going to add it into our jar. Okay. And as you can tell, it's a lot less than what I started with, but that's fine, that's fine. And I like to make a mess. In the name of Hecate Agia, Hecate Kaidia, Hecate Daichtaida, I call to you. I bless and activate this frankincense so that it may show me true visions and give me psychic inspirations on whatever I ask, whether it be the future, past, or something happening in the present. May it alert me with visions to any dangers that might come my way. May it enhance all my divinatory processes, my psychic abilities, and any type of sight. And this I ask with the help of my guides, guardians, and ancestors, with the help of Hecate. So shall it be. Okay. Now, I'm going to regrind it. This shouldn't take long. Oh, well. Now, there are real no measurements. Just do it as much as you feel, or use your intuition when preparing how much you want or how much you think should go into something. So, I'm just going to crush it good. Make sure it reverts back to powder. If you have the frankincense tears, the tears can be hard to grind up, but with a little bit of elbow grease, you will accomplish this. Okay, so see, now I've got the frankincense powder. Now I'm going to add this back into it. and I'm going to mix. Now I'm going to bless it and activate it one more time. In the name of Hecate, Kaidia, Hecate, Agia, Hecate, Dechtaida, I bless and activate the psychic vision powder. May it do exactly what I ask of it, to bring visions of the future, past, or present, to aid me in all divinatory work, and to enhance my psychic abilities when burnt or carried on me. And this I ask with the help of Hecate. So shall it be. Okay, now you have it. Now, you will just use this on charcoal. Just put a little bit on charcoal and burn it. You might want to say a prayer or a little chant before using it, like, psychic visions come to me, this is my will, so shall it be. Something like that. Now, this is good, like I said, for psychic visions. It will help you when you're scrying, crystal scrying, water scrying, you know, all of the good, or candle scrying even. So do not forget to make some of this, because it will help you immensely. Now, the reason I'm using this for protection is because if you can see things that are coming at you that are negative, then you will be more prepared for them. This is what this is for. Now, and this is part of my protection series, because this is a preventative type of protection. Do not take this for granted. The little things are some of the things that have the most power. Now, that is it for today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I am the Urban Animist. I hope that I have illuminated some of the unknown and the unseen. Bye, guys. I'll see you later.